It's another day. Yan. Huh? Talking about the bear last night, guys. My bear last night. The bear last night, guys. He's trying to open the trash can over there. Kain tayo, guys. Say hi, my love.
Hi, my love. Now we're headed up there to Northern California to see the big trees.
Okay. That's a tourist spot.
The big trees probably are.
Yeah.
But Redding, I don't know what it is. It's just a town, I think.
Ah, okay. Yan, magpre-prepare na kami, guys. Kasi wash my face over there outside.
Okay.
Not here in the sink. The water here. Magbibihis na ako, guys. Si Eric nakabihis na. We're gonna hit the road, guys. Headed to Redwoods. Alright. It's California. Smoky out here.
Smoky Mountains of California.
Smoky Mountain. Look at these trees, guys. It's burned. As you can see, the smoke is everywhere.
I spent a lot of money on this fire.
Look at that mountain in the hillside.
All of
It's burned. California, guys, have a wildfire this year.
Been every year so far.
So far, okay. Because last year is also burning. Huh.
Yeah.
So,
Which way do we go? Straight or? Gotta go 89,
89,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Over here, it's 89, right?
That's why I'm asking you.
They need to clean this forest because they are close together. The trees is close together. Oh,
Well, looking on the ground there.
look at this. See?
Look how hot that ground got. Nothing will survive. Nothing will sprout. Nothing will grow. That ground is called what they call sterile now. It gets so hot that nothing will ever grow on that ground again for many, many, many years. 20, 30 years it gets so hot it sterilizes the ground. Nothing will grow.
I see.
Many big ones is out in there they could have harvested. Look how many big ones out there. They could
I
have
see,
harvested.
yeah.
Now there's nothing. Look at all,
Wow.
look at all the houses over there burned.
Grabe. This is so sad. Hala, grabe oh, nangasunog.
What's this year?
This is houses and parks, the town. Oh my God, Jesus' name.
Both sides. Everybody lost everything.
Burn, everything is burned.
It's your stupidity.
Look at that one. Oh my God.
Entire town.
There's another town, guys. It's burned.
Look at the size of some of them trees out there.
The big one too. Kain muna kami ng aming lunch, guys. Yan.
Oh, come on.
I got salad and Eric have burger. Yan.
Brown chicken.
And then, what is this? Fries. Kain tayo, guys. really good. Nandito kami ngayon sa gasoline station. And then they have their mini mart in here. So, we order our food in here, guys. Got cheese, ham, vegetable. Tapos na kaming kumain ng aming lunch. We're headed back to road to our destination, to the redwoods. So this part of California is not bad. There's no fire in here. So
Okay, which way we gotta go? To the left, right?
yeah. Redding. We're headed to Redding.
Clear?
Clear. Redding is this way. I feel sad for these people because the one that we see in the town, it's burned.
Now all them towns, all three of them towns, it's almost completely burned. Every building in it was burned down to the ground. Yeah, it was sad.
I feel sad for all the people that lose their home, their house, their shop, business. So yeah, it is pretty sad. Guys, we will show you the big pine cone that I seen. Holy cow! Oh my god! It's so big! My collection.
Put it down on the floor. On the floor.
I think we can find more
We'll find
like
more.
this. Okay. Oh my god!
The other
That's
ones are
amazing!
sticky. I run over that one.
That's my first time to see a big pine cone in my life, okay? That one is broke.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh my god, there's another one, guys!
That's it. That's all there is of it.
Oh my god, lucky!
The rest is sticky.
Looks like size of pineapple in the Philippines. Okay. Grabe ang laki. I got 2 pine cone. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the floor.
Got a lot of rocks in it.
Yeah.
You got 2 big ones.
Good job, love. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Redwood, California. There's the big trees, guys. The redwood. Grabe, ang lalaki ng kahoy dito, guys. So, at saka ang tataas. This is the big trees in California. Trees of Mystery, Salamat, California.
There you go.
Hi everyone. Did you take picture?
Trying to.
Was one of the largest privately owned Indian artifact collections in this part of the country. You'll be amazed at the
A big bowl.
baskets, tools,
Yeah, he is.
tools, weapons, everything that the Indian.
Big dude. Giant. Entrance. They name it elephant tree. Huh.
Big old ass tree though.
Yeah, it is big one. It's over there. Big trees. Tall trees. There's the coast redwood. 200, 300 feet. Yeah.
It's a big one right there.
Yeah. It's a big tree, guys. It's a brotherhood tree. Huh. They have sign over there. Please do not climb. Oh my god, look at that one. Look at that.
Tree in there, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty good sized tree. Wow. Pretty good sized tree, isn't it? Holy shit crackers. Way up there. That is a cool tree.
Hanging bridge over there.
Yeah. We'll make it there.
Wow, look at that one. Huh. You want to go there, honey?
Yeah, we gotta go there. We're paid to get in.
Okay.
We're going.
Let's go to the bridge. So tara, slow down, honey. Huh? Oh, Jesus' name. Slow down.
I'm just walking.
Cold.
Pay attention. That's slick.
Yeah,
Hang on there.
I will hold. Oh wow, I got the view, the beach, the ocean of California. Let's see the beach.
Just keep going, follow the trail. Don't forget which trail
You go
you're
first.
on.
Give me that one. My cell phone. Layo pa man ang kuan, ang beach. We're gonna walk all the way to the beach. You know the trail, honey?
Don't know, but I can find one.
Be careful, okay? The sand! Here's the sand. There you go. What? We're lost? You don't know where we're going?
Follow the water.
Ocean!
Look at the waves on the ocean here.
Oh, they have crabs. Oh,
That's a dead crab. Can't eat that one. That's a red
Aw.
rock crab. He's dead. Yeah, the water's down quite a ways today.
Yeah. It's low tide.
Low tide.
Beach in California. There's a lot of seagull, birds. Fly! The birds. Really cold.
That's what our oceans are, yeah. That's why we don't swim in them. Hurts.
I can see.
Go
now,
swim. Go swimming.
Because people didn't go out there to swim. It's cold.
Well, yeah. It's the ocean. Of course it's cold.
Oh my God. I'm done.
You know where this water comes from?
In the Atlantic.
Up in north, where the glaciers and the ice melts
Yeah,
and
the
stuff.
Atlantic.
Yeah.
I'm done. I can't do that long, okay?
Come on, let's go back.
Hey guys, so anyway, that's about it. We'll end this video and we will see you in our next video, guys. Yeah, our next destination is we will do a little bit of vlog, maybe we will see. So yeah,